In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into an email in Getresponse. Adding links to your emails is one of the simplest ways to drive people to your website, your products, or any other page you want them to visit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic text link method. This is where a regular piece of text inside your email becomes clickable, instead of pasting in a long, messy web address. First, go ahead and open the email you're working on inside the Getresponse editor. This can be a newsletter, an automated message, or any other email campaign. Make sure you're in the editing view where you can type and format text. Start by finding the exact words you want to turn into a link. This might be something like "click here, learn more," or the name of your product or page. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over those words to highlight them. You'll know they're selected when they're shaded or underlined, depending on your editor's style. Once your text is highlighted, look for the small floating toolbar that appears near your cursor. On that toolbar, you'll see a chain link icon. This is the button you use to create a hyperlink. Go ahead and click that icon. If you don't see the floating toolbar, check the main formatting bar at the top of the editor, because the chain link icon may also appear there. After clicking the chain link icon, a small window or panel will pop up asking for a URL. This is where you paste or type the web address you want people to visit when they click the text. Make sure you include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, and double-check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Take a moment to confirm that you're linking to the correct page. A quick copy and paste from your browser's address bar is usually the safest way to avoid typos. When you're happy with the link, click the Insert button in that window. Your selected text should now appear as a clickable link, usually underlined or in a different color. To be safe, use the Preview feature in Getresponse and click on the link yourself to confirm it opens the right page. Once everything looks good, you're ready to save your email and continue building out the rest of your content.